YouTube channel income. Video number 11. Best tips on profitable YouTube advertising and promotion. Although similar to paid search spending, the world of YouTube advertising can seem a bit overwhelming and complicated to navigate at first. Below are 6 tips to help you spend your YouTube ad budget in a smart way. Number 1. Choose your YouTube ad format wisely. The first complicated fact about YouTube advertising is that there are many different ad formats available. Where should you start? Well, you should first start by reading about each individual format on the YouTube help page here, and then consider what your main goal is. Number 2. Segment in-stream and discovery ads into different campaigns. In-stream ads and discovery ads, previously known as in-display ads, are very distinct from one another. Because of these differences, you should have a different budget and strategy, which is easier to control on the campaign level. Number 3. Take advantage of YouTube targeting option. YouTube allows great flexibility to take control over who sees your ads, starting with demographic targeting. You can then layer on affinity audiences to target people interested in certain topics, custom affinity audiences, and in-market audiences. Number 4. Set up video remarketing. Remarketing is by far the most effective targeting method in my opinion, because you have the security of knowing this audience has already expressed interest in your company by visiting your website. Number 5. Create compelling, human content that feels native. Whether it be a compelling story that pulls at the heartstrings or a joke, prank that has your audience on the floor laughing, including people and making a relatable experience that feels natural and native is what you should aim for. Number 6. Drive action by adding interactive elements to your ads. Did you know that you can link up your shopping cart with a True View video ad? You can also add calls to action, cards to showcase products, or even auto end screens encouraging the viewer to download your app. In sum, for more profitable YouTube advertising, follow these 6 tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many